हरि ओम। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। Bhagavad Gita, a conversation with God daily. In this series, today, chapter 3, shloka number 19. Actually, Krishna has been telling Arjuna the importance of performing action. The necessity of performing action. He explained the cycle of this world, how the world itself, it exists only because of actions. And now he continues, Tasmadasaktaha satatam karyam karma samachara asakto hyacharan karma param apnoti purushaha. Tasmad asaktaha satatam karyam karma samachara. Therefore, Arjuna, now that you have learnt the importance of doing actions, do whatever is to be done. Those actions you do, asaktaha, without getting attached to it. If you are going to perform your actions that way, without any attachment, then paramapnoti purushaha. That person will attain the highest. That is, he will attain moksha. That means by performing actions, he attains purity of mind, gets qualified for Jnana Yoga, and then through Jnana Yoga, that person attains moksha. Asaktaha, not getting attached, is, as we have always been saying, performing your actions for the sake of God. Next shloka. Karmanaiva hi samsiddhim asthita janakadayaha loka sangrahamevapi sampashyan kartum arhasi. Earlier, Krishna had said the jnanis, they need not perform actions. Yastu atmaratireva syad atmatruptascha manavaha atmanyeva cha santushtaha tasya karyam na vidyate. So if you are a jnani, then you need not perform any actions. Now he speaks on certain jnanis who, in spite of being enlightened, performed actions. Karmanaiva hi samsiddhim asthita janakadayaha. The great kings like Janaka, Ashwapati, those kings, they attained moksha just by the path of Karma Yoga. They performed actions till the very end. We can, if we say they attained wisdom, they performed karma yoga, they attained wisdom, they are now jnanis. So they can stop doing it, but they didn't do that. Till the end, they continued to perform their duties. Because even for the jnani, there is the prarabdha karma. If you become a jnani, then immediately all your karma cease and you don't give up this body. This body exists till the prarabdha karma exists. So till the time when you give up this body, you have to keep doing your karma. Like that, the kings like Janaka performed their duties. And before they attained that wisdom also, as a path to attain wisdom, they were performing their duties. So, these kings, they never gave up their duties saying, I am a jnani, I will not perform my duties anymore. Loka sangrahamevapi sampashyan kartum arhasi. You may say, after becoming a jnani, why do actions? Why perform actions? Maybe when they were ignorant, when they were ajnanis, when they were just striving for that knowledge, they performed actions. But after becoming a jnani, why do it? Then also, even after becoming a jnani, you can perform your actions. Loka sangrahamevapi. Loka sangrahartham. That means for the sake of establishing this world in dharma. If King Janaka gives up his duty saying I am a jnani, then somebody else who comes later, he may be an ajnani, but thinking of himself as a jnani, he may say, oh, Janaka gave up his duties, so why should I do? I also will not do. Like this, others may give up their dharma. So, in order to prevent that, in order to establish the world in dharma, also you can perform your actions. Next shloka. Yadyad acharati sreshtaha tattadyeva itaro janaha sayat pramanam kurute lokaha tadanu vartate. Then he explains further loka sangrahartham, that thing. Yadyad acharati sreshtaha. Whatever the great people do, the most important persons, the powerful persons, the very great personalities in a society, whatever they do, tattadyeva itaro janaha, the rest of the people, they follow that. See, till today we say, Lord Rama gave up his kingdom and went to the forest for 14 years just for the sake of keeping up his father's words. For the sake of Pitruvakya Paripalanam, he went to the forest, sacrificing everything. Till today we keep saying, Rama is such a Pitru Bhakta. Rama is such a Dharmatma. So we should also be like that. We quote him as an example. Then there was Sibi Chakravarti, the great king, who was ready to sacrifice his very life in order to protect his words. there was Harishchandra. Till today, we hold them as examples. We should all be patriotic, like Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai. We say, we hold them as examples. So, whatever great personalities do, the rest follow. The world needs somebody to follow. Oh, he was like that, let me be like that. He gets inspired by that, and the world follows that person. Sayat pramanam kurute lokaha tad anuvartate. Whatever that person holds as pramana. If someone says, the Vedas say like this, so I will do it. Then whoever follows him also accepts Vedas as pramana. Whatever our leader says, whatever our guru says, whatever our friend says, we hold certain people as examples and we follow that, we accept that. Great politicians or leaders, famous personalities, they all have an influence over the society. So, Arjuna, you being a Kshatriya, a king, your entire subjects, the country looks upon you as an example. So, you can do your duty, perform actions also for this reason, so that you set an example for the society. With this, we'll stop for today. We'll continue tomorrow.